If you would like to learn a new language or perfect your skills in a language you already know, we invite you to put your trust in the quality and experience of DialoguE. Situated in Belgium, France, the UK, Holland, Spain, and Germany, the DialoguE Centers offer you a training in true and total immersion. These centers welcome you for an average stay of 5 days in the most comfortable of surroundings. To guarantee the optimum success in your immersion course, each language is taught in its native country by a native teacher. DialoguE offers an intense, professional yet non-scholastic training in a lovely residential environment. The entirely tailored, personalized program is based around 4 to 8 one-to-one 45-minute lessons per day. DialoguE has perfected a method which rapidly improves your comprehension as well as your pronunciation. In repeating recorded key phrases created daily from the material covered during your lessons, you will immediately find yourself speaking in a more natural way and very quickly notice an improvement in your level. Within a friendly, pleasurable, and comfortable environment, from the moment you wake to when you go to sleep, you will be deeply immersed in the language you are learning. Whether it be preparing for an exam or any other challenge in your chosen language, with nigh on 30 years experience under its belt, DialoguE can say with confidence that on a 5-day immersion course, such tasks are totally achievable. Discover the effectiveness of DialoguE's personalized, intensive, highly motivating method, all in a wonderful residential setting. 5 days that will change your life.